Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Nutella mousse using an easy method. This simple dessert comes together quickly with just a few ingredients. You will need heavy cream, your favorite Nutella spread, and a touch of powdered sugar. We will guide you through each step, ensuring a light and airy treat that is perfect for any occasion. Get ready to create a delightful dessert in no time at all. The first crucial step is to prepare your whipped cream. For best results, chill your mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Then, pour 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Begin whipping on medium-high speed until soft peaks appear. Gradually incorporate 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, then continue whipping until firm, stiff peaks are achieved. Now it is time to introduce the star ingredient, Nutella. Gently warm about 1/2 cup of Nutella in the microwave for approximately 20 seconds. This makes it easier to incorporate. Carefully add the slightly warmed Nutella to your whipped cream. Using a spatula, gently fold the Nutella into the cream until just combined. Be very careful not to overmix, as this can deflate the airy texture of your mousse. Your delicious Nutella mousse is almost ready to enjoy. Carefully spoon the mixture into 4 individual serving glasses or small bowls. For the best texture and flavor, refrigerate the mousse for a minimum of 2 hours. This allows it to set beautifully. Before serving, you can add a final touch with some chocolate shavings, a fresh berry, or a small dollop of extra whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.